Guys, it's your girl T, and I'm back at it again with another hair product review. I'm so glad to be back, you guys, and I cannot wait to do more and more reviews for you guys. I missed you all so much. But hey, with no delay, let's get to it. So, I am actually taking out, or should I say, I have taken out my box braids. This is post-protective style here, and I have quite a bit of length, especially over the years, but I realized that my hair is really weighed down and it really looks dirty and dingy and disgusting. Y'all see that? Ew. So we need to get rid of that. So, what am I going to use? I know. Ta-da! This is Carol's Daughter Wash Day Delight Love at First Wash Water to Foam Shampoo. With no sulfates, parabens, silicones, or artificial colors, and it has aloe in it. Promises to make the hair squeaky clean with micellar technology. Okay, and here's my starting lineup, or starting 5 of ingredients. And without further delay, let's get to it, guys. Alright, let's kick things off. I'm starting with wet or rather damp hair. You can still see the dirt and debris, and it still looks rather weighed down. So, I'm going to have to do something about that, right? So, I'm going to start off with 4 sections. Nothing crazy or nothing perfect. Just to get the hair sections out of the way. Shampoo scrubby thingy on deck. And then I smell the product. It smells pretty good. Has a nice fragrance to it. And not overpowering, not overbearing. Which is really, really good. And I'm just applying it to the back of my head. Which I always start with the back quarter of my hair first. Usually the left. So I'm starting with it, and I have to admit it was like a weird grainy feeling as it made contact with my hair, and I wasn't really sure what that was about, but I said, let me just be patient and see what is going on here. So I'm scrubbing vigorously as much as I can, but it still feels like it's not enough in there. So I'm like, did I put enough? What did I do? Did I do anything wrong? But yeah, I'm even scrubbing vigorously. But I'm used to like the suds just overpowering my head. But I have to take it into consideration. This is a different product I'm working with here. So even though it did promise quite a bit of foam, but it's more micellar. So I guess that makes the chemistry a little different. I'm not sure. But I figured in order to tackle this, I'm going to probably have to do this more so in the shower. I feel that I would have better time getting this in, and it would be a lot easier. So forgive me if I looked like I was struggling throughout this review, just trying to get it. And I got a little bit in the front there, and I'm just gonna do that back part for you, but I'm going to turn around and I'm going to show you actually I'm going to do the front for you. So just so you guys can see. But wait a minute. Oh. Looks like it's sudding more in the front. And pardon in advance, you're going to see some weird facial expressions, okay? But, so far it looks like it's working. But it's weird. It's kind of like I don't feel it working, but it looks like it's working. I don't know. But yeah, I'm scrubbing it like so. Scrubbing it. Just trying to get it throughout the hair. And guys, this product retails anywhere. I got mine at Target. I can maybe put a link to it if you guys need to get it. You could get it on the Carol's Daughter website, Target, anywhere else where any retailer you could find. But that's basically where I got mine. So I'm just going to clip that, get that out of the way. And like I said, I'm going to retreat to the shower and try to get all of this crack-a-lacking. And then I will come back and show y'all. Alright guys, so this is the washout or the rinse out result. And my curls actually clump pretty nicely in the back, which they normally do. But yeah, and then you know how sometimes... Wait a minute, hold on. Woo! Wait! No dirt! Yes! My almighty scratch test worked. No dirt. Yes! Ah! Yes, it worked, you guys. Wow, this is the back. And I'm just checking to make sure there's no dirt or debris. I couldn't even believe it. I had to check a few times. But yeah, I was scratching. And in the front, dead front, I get a lot of debris. And no dirt, no itching. My happy dance. And there is no drying. My scalp feels so great. Oh my God. And look at my hair, y'all. Wow. I am pleasantly surprised. I did not expect it to work this well. Look at me. I'm still in disbelief. I'm like, what? I'm like, water beads, or are they debris? But no, that's just water beads. That's just fresh water. Oh my God, you guys. Amazing. Look, see in the front. Wow. I'm done. Yes, guys. It worked well for me. I heard a lot of mixed reviews about it and I was scared and not sure, but it pleasantly worked for me. Is it a game changer for me? Yes. Would I replace it with all shampoos? Maybe not, but I say it worked really well for me. But guys, that's it. I love you guys. Take care. Remember to subscribe to join the tribe. And I am T from T's World. Peace.